In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Tutorial for Beginners, Project Management Guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized project space with tasks, assignees, dates, priorities, statuses, a milestone, and a calendar view that makes planning and delegation straightforward. Start on the Overview page of your workspace. On the right side, look for the New Space button and open it. Give your space a clear name that reflects the project or team that will live here. Add a short description so anyone who opens it immediately understands the purpose and scope. That little bit of context saves a lot of back and forth later. When you're ready, continue through the prompts and create the space. ClickUp will spin up the structure for you in a few seconds. With your new space ready, jump into the first list that appears and begin adding tasks. Type in a task name and save it. Add a few more tasks the same way so you have a small sample to work with as we configure things. It helps to think in terms of clear actions and outcomes when naming tasks. Keep the verbs up front and be specific so people know what done looks like. Save each one as you go. Next, start assigning owners. Open a task and choose an assignee from your workspace. If your workflow requires collaboration, you can add more than one person. Assigning tasks early clarifies responsibility and keeps everyone aligned. Now add timing. Set a start date, then pick a due date. You can use a quick option like this weekend for speed, and add a time if the deadline is precise. Save those changes. Repeat that flow for another task, this time adding both start and due times to show exactly when work kicks off and when it's expected to wrap up. This level of detail helps with realistic planning and helps prevent last-minute surprises. While you're here, set a priority. Choose high when something needs attention quickly or has a strong impact. Using priorities consistently is a simple way to surface the most important work in any view. Let's customize how you view and track progress next. On the top right of the list, click the plus icon to add a customized view if you want an alternative layout later. For now, stay in your current view and add a status that matches your process. Click to create a new status if you don't see what you need out of the box. After that, update progress directly from the list by clicking the small circles to the left of a task's name. Set one of your tasks to in progress to reflect that work has started. Change another to complete to indicate it's finished. These small updates keep the board accurate and make reporting meaningful. Add a task type for clarity. Open a task, select task type, and switch it to milestone. Milestones are great for marking significant checkpoints such as approvals, key deliveries, or handoffs. Once that's set, you can complete the milestone the same way you complete a regular task, and it will stand out in your views and reports. Now, let's explore a helpful planning option. Open the View menu at the top and choose the Plan, Schedule, and Delegate option. This is a quick path to views and templates that help you coordinate work. From there, add a calendar to your space. The calendar makes it easy to see how tasks stack up across days and weeks and helps you catch conflicts early. Create a new calendar entry. Give it a clear title. Pick the date and time, and save. If you've already set start and due dates on tasks, you'll see those items appear on the calendar automatically. When something doesn't have dates yet, use the calendar to schedule it by dropping it into the correct day and filling in the details. At this point, you've built the essentials of a workable project hub. You created a dedicated space with a description, added tasks with owners, set start and due dates and times, applied priorities, refined statuses, changed a task to a milestone, marked progress, and set up a calendar for planning and delegation. This flow covers the core building blocks you'll use day to day. A few practical tips as you continue refining. Keep task names short but explicit. Add context inside the task description when a title isn't enough, and attach relevant files directly to the task so the latest version is always in one place. Use due times on items people wait on, like approvals, so expectations are clear. Reserve milestones for truly pivotal points. That way, when you scan your calendar or reports, they signal real progress. Finally, revisit priorities weekly. Projects evolve, and a quick pass to elevate or reduce urgency keeps your team focused on what matters most. If you're working with a team, encourage everyone to update their task status from the list view. Clicking those progress circles is fast, and it keeps dashboards and calendars trustworthy. Combine that habit with consistent assignees and due dates, and you'll always have an up-to-date picture of workload and timeline. That's it for this beginner-friendly setup. You've seen how to stand up a new space, populate it with meaningful tasks, assign owners and timeframes, tailor progress tracking with statuses and task types, and bring it all together in a calendar that supports planning and delegation. With these fundamentals in place, you're ready to run projects in a more predictable, visible, and collaborative way. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.